meatballs with tomato sauce, the real Italian way.
Yes, le polpette. Polpette al sugo.
Ecco, al sugo.
Al sugo.
That's how you say that in Italian.
Yes. We get a bowl like this. We put the ground beef inside.
Okay, beautiful.
Then bread. Bread, I always recommend it just to make a little wet.
Okay.
Just water. Like
Just
you can
water.
see, just a little bit of water. Okay, squeeze like that, then you just put inside. Because then when we're gonna mix with the hand, by hand, we're gonna mix it. We're gonna the amalgam get all together, you know?
Beautiful.
Okay, so like this, just get a little wet, so it's soft.
Okay.
It's easier to do.
It makes it easier to work.
Easier,
Okay.
So we do that. Then the egg, okay? Just break
1 egg per
one egg
pound. Okay.
inside. Just put it like that on top.
Beautiful.
Okay. The peeler goes with the mango, it goes here in the bowl.
Beautiful.
You
I see how it gets. That's
So
nice.
now what you have to do,
And this
look.
is the Papa Vince peeler.
Look at this. We just slice everything inside.
Wow,
And
that
we're
is
done.
nice.
Garlic,
We're gonna
we
peel
peel
it,
the garlic, okay?
you know, with the Papa Vince peeler.
Look.
Garlic peeler. Look at that.
Okay. We just peel the garlic, okay?
In 2 seconds.
Very easy. And we're gonna grate the garlic here for the paste.
Okay,
with
that's
the,
great.
mango. Just a little bit like this. You see?
So we're
You need to
mixing
mix
everything.
everything because you see the bread. So make sure the bread goes,
It mixes.
yeah,
It breaks.
mix together, you know. L'uovo, the egg, helps to keep all this together. That's why you have to put 1 egg inside. From the
Okay.
bottom up, you see?
From the bottom.
You see that
up.
like this?
That's how you
And you
mix.
do like that. You can do this. You see how it's all together now. You see the bread, you don't see the
Yes.
bread or anything, the egg, it's all together.
Beautiful.
Okay? Perfect.
Beautiful.
Okay.
Okay.
Then, meatballs. Now, you just grab a little bit of meat like that, okay? And you just roll it like this. You see that?
Just
With
roll
a
it.
roll like this, a little pressure, okay? And the meatball is ready. Now, it's better if your hands are wet. So
Okay.
usually I have a little bit of water on the side, just you see, just to make the hand wet, because look, with the hand wet, look how fast it is, because it doesn't stick, you see. 5, 10, 15, 16, 17. I make some is big, but you know, 18, 20.
Beautiful.
Some is a little bigger, you know, so.
Okay.
It's easier so they don't break.
They don't break when you put
Parts.
the tomato
Yeah,
sauce.
that's
Good.
correct. So, turn it on, put a little bit of oil, you know, around like that.
Beautiful.
So, just to fry a little bit.
Okay.
Grab when it's getting hot.
When this gets hot, we're gonna grab it. It's hot.
The oil is ready, so. Can you see?
There it is. Yes.
You can hear, right? So,
I can hear it.
and like you see that? So when you see the meat change color,
Okay.
so you have to make sure they don't stick, okay? Tomato sauce. Sea salt.
That's right. The Papa Vince sea salt, and you put it once the water
Yes.
is boiling. Otherwise, you're not Italian.
No.
That's
You have to
right.
be Italian, okay?
That's right.
We're gonna do the whole
The
package.
whole package because we're too hungry.
Okay.
That's right.
Don't forget.
We need to stir. That's right.
Okay. So,
Look at
at
that. We
this.
have the meatballs ready. Remember?
I'm gonna use this today. I'm gonna use meatballs with pasta. It's ready, okay?
It's ready.
Scoliamo la pasta.
Togliamo la pasta.
Alright.
So you put some of the tomato
Yeah,
sauce
you see, look.
in this pan
Yes,
because that way you get more flavor.
correct. That's what you have to do. Look, you see?
You see, so it really
Look
start
at that.
absorbing
Yes.
the flavor.
And leave this for, so that's why you need to take the pasta out
Okay.
like 9 minutes, not 10 minutes. So
Okay.
1 minute before, because then that's what you have to
Because
do.
then you're gonna cook it for
Yes.
1 minute in the pan with
Look.
the tomato sauce,
Yes.
and then it gets nice flavor.
Like that.
There it goes, beautiful.
Okay. Now, you just grab some tomato sauce,
That's right.
fresh.
Look
You
at
see
it.
that? Like that. And
Beautiful.
if you like a meatball, just put a meatball on top.
Ooh, and we're ready to
And if you
roll.
want cheese, Parmesan cheese.
Okay.
All right. Just put on top Parmesan cheese.